Hello, good night. Here I am, Daniel. I am speaking about the natural. My name is Pedro Parrasuara. I study mother language University Wapa, and my topic today is natural. The first question is why is so important for using to make conscience about the importance of natural. We should take care of natural because natural is life. Natural is our life if we don't have any forests, rock, trees, plant, fruit, animal and many more things the world mean. They did if we don't take care of natural because tree give us oxygen and clean air. Plant give us a beautiful to the world and food. Fruit, fruit give is your vitamin and mineral and forests are home to life. If we continue contaminating with meat, have and so the care of our natural and our world. The the next question is if you so easy and so important, why does everybody do it? When I come to spring people to life in a way of natural we reserve of all life. We are a sense of never ending wonder and desire for open meeting incur every mortalist. Don't really could like the word sustainability is become a hollow word and word divorced from many a word lacking in soul separate from its essence. The question number three is how can we take care of it? I think that for the take care the natural it should protect my every month, not littering, strewing and plan. I extreme speciality loving and caring natural. In my opinion, I have a lemon. Um, in my opinion, I have my mountain is respect the natural that you were given. For it's natural that our give but does not take. When you take care of it, it will take care of you. This is my position, the natural finish.